the button and here's the pause button.
Hello, this is Lulu1000 and today I am in my new Terraria series. Woo! Hello Norson, hello Milton, hello Emily, and hello Marquis. I don't know how to pronounce your name. You must speak a foreign language. I don't know. Anyway. Series, and yeah. So I just figured I'll give you a little tour of my world. Here we go, we have, this is my world, it's a large world. And up here we have an island. This is the mushroom cave, where we go. We have a crimson, the worst biome ever. We have a jungle. We have another crimson and the ocean. So yeah, this has been Lulu1000. Lulu1000 out.